Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you've been wondering how to make money online using the power of AI, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you 10 AI tools you can start using right now to boost your income. So let's dive in. AI is transforming the way we work, and it's creating incredible opportunities for anyone looking to earn money online. Whether you're into writing, graphic design, SEO, or video editing, there's an AI tool that can help you speed up the process and increase your productivity. Let's jump straight into these tools. It's actually a pretty exciting topic, and there are so many opportunities out there right now. The world of online income is evolving fast, and with AI by your side, you can tap into trends, automate repetitive work, and focus on what you do best. So, if you've ever wondered how to get started or what options are available, first up, we've got ChatGPT by OpenAI. This AI tool is perfect for freelance writers, content creators, and marketers. You can use it to generate blog posts, social media content, emails, or even help businesses set up automated customer service systems. The best part? It's super easy to use and saves you a ton of time so you can focus on scaling your business. Next is Jasper. If you're serious about content creation or digital marketing, this tool is a game changer. Jasper helps you write high-quality copy for landing pages, email campaigns, ad copy, and more. You can even create blog posts in a fraction of the time it would take you manually. So, if you're offering copywriting services online, this tool will make you a lot more competitive. Another great option for writers is Copy.ai. This tool is perfect for creating product descriptions, Facebook ads, and even catchy social media posts. You can use it to offer freelance copywriting services on platforms like Fiverr, or even start your own business crafting high-converting sales pages for clients. If you're looking to find clients for your AI-powered services, check out Fiverr. It's one of the largest freelancing platforms where you can offer AI-enhanced services like content writing, design, transcription, or even voiceovers. By leveraging AI tools like Jasper or Copy.ai, you can deliver top-tier services and finish projects faster, which means more clients and more money. Moving on to Runway ML. If you're into video creation or graphic design, Runway ML is a must-try. It's an AI tool that helps you create stunning visuals, videos, and even deepfake content. You can use it to create YouTube intros, promo videos for clients, or even offer your services as an AI-powered video editor. Lumen 5 is an amazing AI video creation tool that turns text into engaging videos. If you're running a YouTube channel or working with clients who need video content, Lumen 5 makes it super easy to create videos from blog posts, articles, or even social media content. You can sell your video editing services or even create your own YouTube videos for monetization. Need a quick logo for a client? Try Design Hill's Logo Maker. This AI tool helps you design professional logos in minutes. It's perfect if you're a freelancer offering logo design services. You can create logos for startups, small businesses, or even personal brands, quickly and easily. MarketMuse is another powerful tool if you're into SEO. It helps you optimize your content, find the best keywords, and improve your rankings on Google. As an SEO expert or consultant, you can use MarketMuse to offer services to businesses looking to improve their online presence and rank higher in search results. For those looking to provide transcription or captioning services, Rev.com is a great AI tool. It uses AI to transcribe audio or video files accurately, which you can then edit for clients who need captions, transcripts for podcasts, or even subtitles for YouTube videos. There's a huge demand for these services, and AI makes the process much faster. Last but not least, we've got Surfer SEO. If you want to offer SEO services, this tool will help you optimize web content for search engines. Surfer SEO analyzes your content and gives you suggestions on how to improve it for better ranking. You can offer SEO audits or content optimization services to businesses who need to get noticed online. Quick bonus tips. You can use AI to boost your affiliate marketing efforts, create and sell digital art, or even predict stock market trends with tools like Kahoot or Trade Ideas. The possibilities are endless. So there you have it. 10 AI tools that can help you make money online. Which one are you most excited to try out? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.